GT series multi-stage, centrifugal, permanent magnet, variable, frequency, pump head, is made of thickened stainless steel, which is acid and alkali resistant, and corrosion resistant, effectively preventing rust water and healthy water. When the water is stopped, the microcomputer control system will automatically detect and control the motor to slow down. Intelligent constant pressure water supply, high efficiency, energy saving, and power saving to meet the water requirements of different customers. It has 3 advantages. First of all, high efficiency and energy saving. Optimized hydraulic design reduces energy consumption, achieving higher operational efficiency than comparable products. What's more, corrosion resistance. Stainless steel construction ensures long-term resistance to water corrosion, extending equipment lifespan. Finally, lightweight design. Compact and lightweight structure facilitates transportation and underground installation.